Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me takes me one second to the edge. And all that's a break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one second to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kongkol Sangma ulah penbena megidon lai hajan ruspa live san Ngut ki Nongtrei Adhoc haki tanat baper jong ke Sorkar ki ba Sorkar kan Thung kam Pura no yaki klem da pendon kam ban le yaki interview Henry ulong begitu ki ba Sorkar kan Thung kam kindai tang gitu bala trei lupa haki sanction post Henry ompat itu yaki kum ki Nongtrei Sorkar ulong bakin yo ya baro ki jingman toy ki ba ki Nongtrei Sorkar ki yo kunthop ya pension.
On the 15th of March 2022, the Cabinet had decided, based on a Supreme Court ruling, that employees who were employed before the 31st of December 2007 on ad hoc basis, but against sanction post, will be regularized. And based on that, 3,635 employees were regularized. Those who were appointed to sanction post, but not through normal selection process like MPSC or DSC, and neither through any kind of a 3F notification, but were appointed on an ad hoc basis. So based on the Supreme Court ruling, which allowed the state governments to take a one-time decision, the then decision was taken to regularize the 3,635 ad hoc employees who were working against sanction post. But today in the Cabinet, we have further decided that based on the fact that these employees, though they were working as ad hoc, but they were working against sanction posts at that point in time, that only in these cases, in this particular case where we have regularized these employees, we have decided that the pension amount will also be given to them. And hence those who have passed away and those who are retired will also now get the benefit of those who have passed away, of course, their family members, and those who have retired, they will get pension benefits. And the other employees also, as and when they retire, that the pension benefits will be given, as they were already enjoying most of the other benefits. And hence, we have taken a decision today that these 3,635, a one-time case, a one-time exemption, only for this category and this group of employees, and this will not be applicable to any other group of employees. So we have decided that since we decided to regularize them, we will give them the complete benefit of pension also.